Whenever you make changes to your website, whether you're using a page builder or just generally inside of WordPress, it's always a good idea to purge the website because you want to ensure that your front end users can see the changes. Now, you can regenerate your CSS as well and purge your server, but I'm going to show you how to add a simple code snippet to your website so you can purge from the WordPress admin top bar. I want to take this moment to ask you to sign up for our YouTube channel so you can get access to members-only live chats, exclusive videos, and help to keep this channel free from sponsorship. Here's the code snippet. Link for it is in the video description. Scroll down the page and you'll see the purge code. All you got to do is add in the code snippets plugin that you can get for free from the WordPress repository. Go and copy and paste this in, give it a title called Purge, save changes, activate. And now whenever you go into WordPress, you'll see an option at the top there called Purge Cache. You click it, say OK, and that's it. That's how quick it is to just purge your cache. Now, if you ever find that when you do go to your front end, you still can't see the changes you made, you may need to purge your server. So log into your host provider server and go and purge. It might be flush to cache, OP cache, dynamic mem cache. Just go and flush it and you'll be fine. I hope you found this useful. I'm Imran from Web Squadron. Like, subscribe, share, and follow. I'll see you soon.